You may sometimes delete some important text messages accidentally, and would notice that there is no button to recover them on Android phones. So, is there any way to recover text messages quickly and efficiently? If you have installed Google Drive on your Android phone, which happens before the time you wrongly deleted your text message, thanks God, you are lucky. You can recover deleted text messages from the backups. But first of all, you need to reset your phone, then go to Google Drive and log in with your Google account to restore. If you have not backed up before and are unwilling to reset your phone, using reliable third-party recovery software would be the best way to recover. FonePaw Android Data Recovery can recover 100+ files types due to accidental loss, such as text message, photo, video, music, and so on. Just click the download link below the video to get it. Now, let me show you how to recover the deleted text messages from your Android phone. First of all, launch FonePaw Android Data Recovery and then connect your Android phone to the computer with a USB cable. Now you should do a USB debugging according to the prompts. After connecting the mobile phone and computer, there will be many types of data for you to select. Check the data type to restore and now click Next. Then the Android phone will pop up a prompt. Just click to install the software on your phone, and then allow it to access the info. If you cannot find the text messages you want to recover, choose the Deep Scan, which will do a deeper scan to find out more text files from your phone. Just wait a moment to finish the scan. When the process finishes, click here to preview the deleted text message, and then recover just a click. Look, the deleted text message you lost before is now back on your computer. That's all for today's video. If you want to learn more practical tips, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.